Your Choice is an established family-run business that pride themselves on commitment to the customer, our vision for you for your end result, whether it be a conservatory roof, or even an extension. Whatever it is, we can do it for you. Our vision is extensive, our commitment is extensive, and we pride ourselves on customer satisfaction. One of the things we're very proud of as a company is that we don't use subcontractors. All our fitting teams clock in, clock off, and are responsible and committed to you as a customer and to us as a business. Their care and commitment shows in every single job we do. They clean up after themselves and leave your house the way it should be, the dream you wanted. Contact Your Choice on www.your-choice.uk.com or call us direct on 0161 643 7222.